How to run your LLMs locally. There are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download and install Ollama. Ollama is an open source tool that allows you to run large language models locally. Just select your operating system. It works for all your classic ones, and then just download. You will get a classic installer and then just run through the basic installation steps and it'll work. Now I'm not doing it because I already have Ollama installed on my machine. Once you have it installed, you should be able to open a terminal and run the command Ollama version. This is a command used to find the version of Ollama running. If you get a response like this, it means it's working. Step 2. Download your LLM. From the Ollama models page, choose the model which you would like to download, select it, choose the parameter model which you want to use. For a MacBook with a 16 GB RAM, I'd recommend a 7 billion parameter model. You can copy the command from here or just click on the copy icon, go to your terminal, paste in the command, but before you hit enter, just go and change the word run to pull. This is because you don't want to run the model immediately. You just want to pull the image. Pulling means to download. So once you run this command, the download will begin. Now I'm not going to wait for this download to get completed because it may take some time. I have already downloaded an image. So to list the images that you've downloaded, just run the command Ollama list. As you can see, I have a DeepSeek R1 model already installed. Step 3. Install the Page Assist browser extension. Open a new tab and search for the name Page Assist extension, and you're pretty much bound to get on the first result. Once you reach the extension store, install it as a browser extension. All your extensions will be visible in the extension section. From there you can pin it and open it. Now you have a UI for talking to all your models. You have a nice drop down to select the different models you've just downloaded from Ollama, and you have a chat window where you can type in any query. Your queries run against the locally running models you just downloaded from Ollama. And that's it. You now have an LLM running locally, which is absolutely free to use. Enjoy!